Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the God of War game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the God of War game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. Within the main menu, if you wish to change the game language, then simply hover over and then click on the settings option, which will now take you into the settings page. Now within this page, just click on language, and you will now see the available languages that you can choose for the text as well as speech. Just click on the right side in order to change the language, and it will change right alongside as you select the language that you wish. After choosing your desired language for text, you can also do the same for speech. And after you have chosen your desired language for text as well as speech, you can simply go back and start enjoying your game in the new language that you have just chosen. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the God of War game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.